Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you another fall DIY idea, and today's video is sponsored by COEEBAGS. I will share with you what they sent to me later on as we go along. Okay, so we're going to take some of this paint here, which I have a black and a gold. I'll be painting one pink pumpkin black and one pumpkin gold. So I'm just going to continue to add the gold going all around the pumpkin, and then I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. And now we have our next pumpkin, and I'm just painting it black because I know it's already black, but it's showing some little white spots in between, so I'm just freshening it up. Okay, so here are our pumpkins. This is the black one. It's all dry. So I'm going to add these beads here, these gold and silver beads, but I'll just be adding the gold ones that I got from Michael's, and I'll be using some E6000 to lay them going on our pumpkin. So I'm just gonna apply the E6000, and then we are going to put our little gold studs going right around our pumpkin. So I'm just going to share with you what I got from COEEBAGS, and then we'll continue with our DIY pumpkin. Alright everyone, this is what I got from COEEBAGS. This is a box. It says Chanel on it. And we're just going to open the box and see what's inside. Okay, this is how it came packaged. And there is a Chanel bag inside, in case you want to gift this to someone. You have the Chanel bag right here. Okay, it comes in this velvet case, or velvet bag I should say, and it says Chanel on it. It's very nice. So let's take it out. Okay, here we go. That's the back. And there's this little knob here, which it looks very nice. So you just turn it and open up the bag. And this is a Chanel flip bag. Yeah. Okay, so this is what's inside. And you get a little paper with the details on your bag and all that. Okay, it has a long strap in gold. Okay, here's the inside of the bag. It's a nice gold color. And there's a Chanel sign. And you have this little section. And then you have a zippered section. It's very nice. I like the gold inside. And then you have a little Chanel logo here. Let me turn it around. The little Chanel logo right there. And now this is, you press it in and you can adjust the strap to go shorter if you want a shorter strap. Or you just press it and pull it back up and you have a longer strap. This is very nice. I like this. And this is the back of the bag. There's a little pouch at the back also. And here is the long strap on the bag. I think it's very nice. I like the gold hardware that it has. It looks very nice. I think it's a nice and elegant bag that you could wear. You can dress it up or dress it down. So I'll leave a link to COEEBAGS, so you guys can go over and check it out. And I do have a discount code, so you can save a bit on your purchase. Now I know they are not the real thing, but they look just as good. And if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know, because it looks just as nice as the original. And who wants to pay a lot for a bag? I can't. COEEBAGS gives you a great deal. So remember, all the info will be down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's continue with our DIY. Okay, now I'm just adding some of our gold studs to the stem of the pumpkin. I use the E6000. And I'm just placing the little gold studs going right around. Okay, here is our gold pumpkin. I went back over it with some spray paint because I didn't like how the acrylic paint the gold acrylic paint looked on it, sorry. So I went back over with the gold spray paint. So now I have this little piece of wood thing here. Oh lord, but this is not going to work out. I tried joining the two of them together with this, but it wasn't sturdy. It was like shaky. So I'm going to switch it out. So I'm just going to carve a hole into the bottom of the top pumpkin. Just making it big enough so the stem of the gold pumpkin can fit in there. Yep, it can fit. So I'm just going to use some hot glue. Place it all over the stem and then place it inside the hole that I have on the top pumpkin. Just put it in there and then we're going to have to hold it together, let the glue dry. And this was much better, much sturdier. So now we have our pieces. I have this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some hot glue and glue them together. And here is our finished look. I love how it turned out. And I'm glad I went back over with the spray paint of gold on the bottom pumpkin because it looks more vibrant and nice. A nicer effect. And I love the gold and the black together. I think they look absolutely beautiful. A lovely piece of fall decor for your home for our fall of 2022. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's fall DIY decor. And that's all your girls got for you. Nothing more. That's all for today. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.